Mother's Day stirs many memories of a woman's first pregnancy. The SMOOCHY hugs her beautiful children gave her, or the attitude her child displayed that irked her so much. No wonder she sought support from family and friends for her mental health and well-being. Think about it. She nurtures her child's physical, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual growth and imparts her values to her child to learn and share with others. Mothers are God's unique gift, and we must honor her. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. A Satideh morning runnings. Come, make we talk.